just a carbohydrate digestion. The title helps you to understand. In the mouth, the digestions only happen to carbohydrate because there's only a amylase that present in our mouth. Okay, so how about the other food category like protein, lipid? It happens later. Okay, next in stomach we have a protein digestions because in the stomach we have enzyme that helps the protein digestions. Okay, before that we need to understand this. The lining stomach is highly folded by epithelial tissues that undergo differentiation to form gastric glands. There are three types of cells. First is sheath, peritoneal, and goblet and mucus cell. All these three are contained in goblet cell. Okay, goblet cell. Okay, next. So gastric gland, it has three cells, right? So gastric gland secretes gastric juice, which then mix together with the food entering stomach by peristaltic action by muscular stomach wall within few hours. Gastric juices contain, this is the important part, contain pepsinogen, hydrochloric acid, and mucus. Again, pepsinogen will be activated by HCl, hydrochloric acid, to become pepsin enzyme. So this is the enzyme here. Okay, so this enzyme help to digest protein with the presence of water to become polypeptide. Okay, so what is the function of hydrochloric acid? Hydrochloric acid is not an enzyme. So hydrochloric acid is to provide acidic medium, not action, acidic medium with optimum. Okay, this is supposed to be acidic medium with optimum pH 1.5 until 2.0 for pepsin reaction. There is answer. Dia nampak O di sini, dia nampak huruf O, dia pergi letak oksigen. Mari kita baca the whole sentence kalau letak oksigen. Provide acidic medium with oxygen. pH. It's not fit at all, it's not logic at all. So please read again. When does the pH atau temperature, dia ada related dengan optimum. Okay, next, B. What is the function of hydrochloric? It converts the pepsinogen to pepsin, and then it helps to stop this action of salivary amylase, because the salivary amylase needs a neutral pH. Dia salivary ni dia perlukan pH yang neutral. Tapi bila ada HCl, amylase tu dia tidak boleh react sudah, sebab dia sudah jadi acidic. That is why it tells you the HCl is to stop the action of salivary amylase. Okay, D. Kill most of the bacteria found in the food. Correct. Okay, number 6. Mucus protects the inner lining of stomach from being self-digested by hydrochloric acid and digestive enzyme. Okay, seperti yang kita tahu, our cells is made up of protein. Jadi, sel dalam badan kita ni protein, perut kita ni adalah sel kan? Logiknya perut kita ni adalah sel badan, perut kita ni pun protein. Tapi kenapa perut kita tidak digest? Sebab adanya mucus. Mucus to protect our from self-digested. Okay, number 7. This mixture in ingested food, semi-fluid called chyme, then will slowly enter the duodenum with pleuric sphincter Pyloric. Okay, pyloric. Pyloric. Correct. Okay, next. Mind test 2. Mind test 2. Goblet ni dari sebelah ni kan. Okay. So, mind test 2. Match this food with the digestive organ involved. Okay. We need to identify the class of food here. Mashed potatoes is belong to carbohydrate. Carbohydrate C. I write it C. Okay, and then roasted chicken is protein and cheese is lipid. Okay, so mashed potato is carbohydrate. So where is the carbohydrate digestions happen? It's in the mouth. It's also happen in the stomach, but in the duodenum. But here the choice of answer that's suitable for mashed potato is mouth, because there are amylase in our mouth. Amylase is to digest carbohydrate. Okay, next, roasted chicken. Roasted chicken is protein. So again, I told you, in the stomach we have pepsin enzyme to digest protein. So roasted chicken is protein. Logically, it happens in our stomach. And cheese is happen to be lipid, and lipid digestions happen starting in small intestine, which is ileum. Okay, so only one answer is correct, the other two is wrong. Okay, next, mind test 3. Okay, so here mind test 3, what will happen if cardiac sphincter does not contract? Okay, so I will give you direct answer here. Enters the duodenum. Okay, come, this enter the duodenum rapidly. And as you know, in our stomach we have a hydrochloric acid. So this hydrochloric acid will flow back into esophagus. Okay, hydrochloric acid will flow back into esophagus. Okay, number 1, I can tell you the right answer. HCl acids in gastric juice from stomach will flow back into esophagus. Okay, and then this will cause the individual will experience heartburn and this known as GERD. Gastro, G is gastro, E esophagus, esophageal, R reflex, D disease. Okay, nanti kamu boleh search di internet. Okay. So this is the answer for mind test 3. Okay, so this is okay, kamu boleh baca sikit di sini ya. Saya kasih kecil. Okay. Number 1, HCl acid in gastric juices will from stomach will flow back into esophagus. Number 2, the individual will experience heartburn. And number 3, it is known as GERD. G for gastro, Gastro, E esophageal, R reflux, okay, bukan reflux keluar balik, reflux, and D is disease. Okay, so I think that's all for today. Okay, the last one, we check your friend's answer here. Carbohydrate, lipid, protein. Okay, this will continue on the next video, tapi kita check sajalah. Okay, small intestine. Dia kita bincang ikut sequence kan, dari mulut pergi perut, sekarang masuk kepada small intestine. Okay, small intestine dia terbagi kepada 3 bahagian, which is duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Okay, and number 2. Okay, number 2, digestions of lipid. Lipid. Ada yang jawab lipase. Lipase tu kan enzim. Tolong baca balik jawapan kamu. Digestions of lipids begins in duodenum. Okay, duodenum receive the secretion of gallbladder and pancreas. Bile is produced by liver, stored in gallbladder, channel into duodenum via bile duct. Okay, ini ada dalam buku teks kamu, as you can read in 146 dalam buku teks. Kalau tidak faham, tolong bagi tahu saya, teacher, saya tidak faham, atau saya boleh bagi personal video ajar kamu satu-satu. Okey, kamu kena jangan hafal, kamu kena faham. Tengok diagram figures 9.4. Okay, 9.4 tu dia ada reason kenapa dia tunjuk figure tu. Sebab macam mana dia combination liver hasilkan bile duct tapi disimpan dalam gallbladder. Okay, tapi simpan dalam gallbladder tapi digunakan dalam duodenum. Macam mana dia related? Benda ni sangat amazing sebenarnya. It's in our body, kan? Badan kamu makan setiap hari, tapi don't take it for granted. Sebab the better you understand about your body, the better your answer will be. Okay?